Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin, the Theta Bullish scenario post to whales manipulation. Okay, as I told you, I'm still waiting the weekly close candle. That's why I just updated today. And here the Nasdaq can hold the line. So you can find the Nasdaq can hold this blue one like ever hold in the October, hold in the August, hold in the February, March, and May. That's why if we can hold this line, there is a probability we can break from this white line. This white line is the last crash happening. And if we can broke this white line, we can going up, maybe we can retest to the 14K. It's possible, but I think it's too huge for us to hit here instantly. But at least we need to break maybe back to the 30.7 in here. And the next is about the Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin, look, you have the pump what happening in the July 2021. So last year, the very big pump in here. You also have the pump in here. In here, slightly hit the bottom, but pump again. And now we are back to here. So the question is, if we have the pump like this one, so maybe we have the pump like this one. But as long as that the weekly close candle can stay above this area, I think we have to still the bullish chance at least to retest. Okay, I will tell you where it will retest, but at least this is the last strong support. If we cannot hold this line as we are break, okay, everything is bearish. But if we can hold this line, everything is good. Okay. And the next is about the target about the Bitcoin. So we ever broke this line. So this line, if you are drawing the line like this one, so you drawing like with a minute, okay, you draw from this, hit this. So in here we broke the line. This is the previous video. But the next target, after we are retesting in here, we can retest in here. So back to the 37.5 or back to the 38 or 39. So in here, maybe there is a chance to go to MACD also going positive. And after hit this one, continue to dump is still possible because we have a hold in this like a resistance. Every time hit this resistance, we are still going down. And like this one, maybe I'm out. Look, after retest in here, we retest in here. There are the confluence of the resistance before we are going down. Okay, and the next about the theta. As I told you that we have the falling wedge for the theta, and since the last March 2021, we have, so it's already 1 year for the theta. 1 year for the theta. From the top, we have the falling wedge in here. Also retest so many times in here. Let's zoom out. Look, therefore, the theta, if we are still holding this as a line, we still have the chance we are back to bullish to here. So maybe retest to this level. So maybe back to the 3 US dollar or 2.5 in here. That's we are still retesting. But if we cannot hold the falling wedge, I think everything is so bad. But we already 1 year, 1 year have the falling wedge in here. That's why I'm still bullish at the moment. And as I told you that I'm not entry 3.6, 2.6. No, I'm entry 2.2 as I told you here. 2.2 is my entry, but if we are break below, I gonna sell my last entry in 2.1, 2.2 for the theta. And the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance ever hold this and this and this. So there is a chance that the Bitcoin dominance is going to up to here and break because we already test so many times. But for me, I hope that we are still retesting, going down a little bit for the Bitcoin dominance, so the altcoin can fly because the MACD also going to red, from green going to red. Every time we are from green going to red, the price can be down, but every time the MACD going to green, it's going to green again in here. Going down, it's going red, and here from green in here going down to red. Okay, and the last I want to update about the Cardano. The Cardano is just a quick update that we still have to this in the ETF. This is the ETF's market for the Cardano to see the whales movement. And previously we are rejected for the moving average 21 in the white color in here, the white line moving average. But so far we have this ascending, descending, broadening wedge. We have a retesting in here. So the next target either we maybe hit somewhere around here or we can break to the 10 US dollar in here. We don't know, but there is a chance we still going down, but so far we have the double bottom in here. So I expect that nearing the late May or the early June, hopefully we can go up. But still that um, this is still the higher risk. That's why you need to manage your portfolio. If you want to buy the ETF, as usually I can use it for like the whales indicator, whether they are selling or buying, because the pressuring from the North September until here is a very strong movement, and even crash in here, also crash in here. That's why even it's going up, I think it's back to around this level before we are continuing to going down and stay positive. Okay, I think that's for today. Let's wait for the weekly close candle for the Bitcoin. Let's hope that the Bitcoin can hold this line similar like what happening in the July 2021. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. See you next time.